Welcome, educators. Get ready to explore Google Gemini, your new AI assistant. This guide will walk you through its features, helping you integrate this powerful tool into your teaching practice. Are you looking to streamline your lesson planning, create engaging content, or find new ways to inspire your students? Google Gemini offers innovative solutions for every aspect of teaching. Google Gemini is an advanced AI designed to assist with various tasks, from generating creative text formats to answering complex questions. It's like having a highly intelligent assistant at your fingertips. For teachers, Gemini can be a game changer. Imagine quickly drafting lesson plans, generating quizzes, or even personalizing learning materials for diverse student needs. Gemini helps you save time and enhance your teaching. Let's dive right into how you can start using Google Gemini. We'll cover the initial setup, interface navigation, and key features to get you up and running smoothly. First, access Gemini through your Google account. You'll encounter a welcome screen that introduces its capabilities like writing, planning, and learning. It also assures you of private and secure interactions. After clicking Got It, you'll see the main chat interface. At the top left, you can select different AI models for specific tasks. For general teaching needs, the default model works perfectly. Now, let's explore practical ways Gemini can assist you. From brainstorming to generating materials, Gemini can significantly lighten your workload and boost creativity. On the left menu, Explore Gems allows you to discover custom AI versions. Gems like Brainstormer are pre-made by Google, offering quick solutions for lesson ideas or project outlines. Click Explore Gems to see what's available. Clicking Show More reveals additional gems like Learning Coach or Writing Editor. You can also create your own custom gems, like a lesson plan assistant, by clicking Plus New Gem. This customizability is incredibly powerful. To access important settings and help, look in the bottom left corner. Here, you can view your past activity, manage connected apps, change themes, and send feedback. Click Settings and Help, and then Apps to see integration options. One of Gemini's most powerful features is its integration with Google Workspace. This allows Gemini to access and summarize information from your Google Docs and Drive, saving you immense time. To enable this, simply click the toggle switch next to Google Workspace. A pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm the connection and reminding you of Google's privacy policies. Click Connect to proceed. Once connected, the toggle will turn blue, indicating active integration. Now you can start a new chat and ask Gemini questions about your emails, documents, or files. This is perfect for summarizing lengthy readings or finding specific information. When you're ready to start a conversation, you can type a prompt in the text box at the bottom. A key feature for teachers is the ability to add files directly to your prompt. After clicking the plus icon, you can choose to upload files from your computer or add from Drive. Imagine adding your personal lesson plans to get activity ideas for students who may be ahead or behind on the learning objectives of your lesson. You are now ready to explore the many ways Google Gemini can support you in your teaching. Experiment with prompts, integrate your workspace, and unleash its full potential. Happy prompting!